Hello, I'm Kavya Vartak, a first-year student in MBA Communications Management at Flame University. Communications to me isn't just about speaking, but also understanding, being empathetic, and most of all, storytelling. The ability to capture an essence in just a little bit amount of time, a major challenge in our generation. And that's what led me to Flame. It's not just an MBA degree for me, but it's also an experience. I chose this program to explore the niche yet vast industry of media and communications. Why a brand reacts the way it does, spends, positions itself, its strategies and voice, all my questions answered in one degree. Obviously, an MBA degree is tough. It requires hard work. But trust me, it all pays off at the end. My academic journey so far has been great. The faculty teaching you are all one better than the other in their own field of work. My mentors along the way have been extremely supportive of this journey. Additionally, we had the opportunity of choosing a career academy where I am a part of the Branding and Communications Academy. Through this, we received great insights from people in the industry, meeting them, interacting, and most of all, presenting our viewpoints too. Recently, we also had the opportunity to visit 2 agencies, Locus Design and ABND, and had a great learning experience with them. The career services team at Flame has been extremely helpful in helping me secure an internship at Pune with Adi Raheja & Co. as their branding intern. The projects and assignments at college with real-world application have all made my vision of doing an MBA Communication Management degree even clearer. If you are someone who thinks out of the box, has great random eureka moments, loves strategy and looks to build on meaningful stories and brands, I think you have a great place at Flame. Just a piece of advice, I don't think it's going to be easy, but you will enjoy it along the way. Enter this course with an open mind, learn and relearn concepts, and most of all, show up fully. Participate, take risks in your ideas, and don't be afraid to voice your perspective.